Hello and welcome. I'm Rickard, and in this video, I'll give you a complete review of Ted's Woodworking so you can find out whether these 16,000 plans are truly worth your time and money. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any essential information. Before we begin, let me remind you that the link to the official website is right below in the description. There you'll find all the details about the product, and if you still have any doubts after watching, I highly recommend checking it out. What's included in Ted's Woodworking? The package provides a complete woodworking guide with 16,000 detailed projects. Each one comes with step-by-step instructions, making it perfect for beginners and highly useful for professionals. Even better, you don't need expensive tools. Most of the work can be done with simple equipment you probably already own. You'll also get free access to the DWG-CAD viewer, an incredible tool for creating and customizing your own woodworking designs. Normally, this software costs around $100, but here it's included at no extra charge. If your goal is to start a woodworking business from home, the package also includes a practical guide showing how even a complete beginner can achieve professional and profitable results in the field. Extra resources to speed up your learning. You'll have access to 150 high-quality video lessons, a complete carpentry course designed for beginners but with enough depth to turn you into a skilled professional. If you prefer, there's also a DVD option, perfect for those who don't want to rely on the internet. In addition to the videos, you'll receive complete woodworking manuals, totaling about 200 pages, filled with tips, techniques, and trade secrets to boost your progress. You'll also get a list of the essential tools needed to become a top-level woodworker, ensuring you invest only in what truly matters. The variety of projects and risk-free guaranteed woodworking offers an impressive variety of ideas, covering virtually any project you can imagine. Chances are, the one you're looking for is already there. And to give you complete peace of mind, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. If within that time you decide the program isn't for you, simply request a full refund. No bureaucracy, no explanations. In other words, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. That's my review. For more details and instant access, click the official website link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.